Alright, so I'm here using my Pocket Jig 100, and this piece of wood that I have here I'm going to join to make a background for some metal art. And what it's told me to do here in the directions is to kind of overhang here, you can see in the photo, just slightly, which is what I've done here. So I'm going to go ahead and set that as my point where I'm going to go ahead and drill. So the next thing I need to do is measure the bit here and set this adjustable collar to the right length. Alright, looking at the manual again here, what it's telling me on this chart right up here is that for my half-inch cut here, I need to measure out to 3 5/16. So what I've done here is I've gone to the end of this guy, this bit right before the step, and I essentially went 3 and then counted out to 5 to get to 5/16, and then I just went ahead and put the Allen key in there and ratcheted this down so that the collar's tight, and now I am ready to drill the hole. So as you saw earlier, I clamped this down because if you don't clamp it down, it's going to be really hard to hold this in place, and I've got my drill ready and everything, so I can't do this with one hand, so I'm going to go ahead and stop the camera now. But all I'm going to do is I'm just going to push the drill in and then pull it all the way back out, and I should have a nice pocket hole. Alright, just a couple seconds later, I have drilled out my hole, and as you can see, just a nice little pocket hole cut, and just a little bit poking out the back there, and a couple more of these and I'll be ready to put my workpiece together. Alright, literally just a couple minutes, little break here, and I've got my 4 pocket holes done. The centerpiece with just these and just for wall art is going to be plenty strong enough. I don't need to run any in the middle to these other pieces. The only thing I did notice here, if you can see that, is this bit's a little bit different. It's a star bit, and I don't think I have any screws that have that. And just looking at the screw guide here, I'm going to need, on page 1 here, 1-inch screws for my thickness of wood here, which was 1/2 inch. So I'm actually going to go switch over and grab some different bits, and then let's just look at how strong this is when it's all said and done. Alright, our stuff is all drilled out now, and got this one nice sturdy board here, and I'm going to go ahead and put my my metal artwork on it, hang it up on the wall, and I'm done. That was all with the Milescraft Pocket Jig 100.